try to be is to fit ourselves in some templates that are predefined. We often find ourselves scratching the surface of knowledge to discover ourselves better, but rather finding it in somewhere else. Have we ever tried to find it inside ourselves? Instead of garbaging another planet, can't we clean ours? We want to achieve every pleasure, but do we really know our necessity?